welcome to my today's video, or welcome to my channel Quest for Answers. Today I am going to share with you a review of an app which I use on daily basis. Did you ever think that, gosh, I didn't have to type my text messages again and again? Like if you are in a business or some kind of, consultant or something where you send the same text messages or same emails again and again, email templates. So there is a small tiny app which I got it a couple of years back. It's not that popular. I mean, you don't see a lot of people using it, but I love it because it does exactly what I need to do on a daily basis. So without a further ado, and let me show it to you. All right. Okay, friend. So let's go to the App Store and search by Crisp Keyboard. Okay, here we go. Crisp email template. Okay, that is the app we are looking for. Now, if you look at the features or the details of this app, you would notice the app is about 4 years old, but and has not been updated for a while. But that's okay if it was not updated after iOS 10, but I have iOS 14 and it works perfectly. So there is no need to worry about it. Okay, so the first thing we do, we're going to launch up the app, and if you notice, I already have lots of folders set up, and let me show you how you create a folder in here. So you click on the plus sign, and then you create a folder, and you can name it whatever you like, and then that's it. The folder is ready. You go into that folder, and you can start creating your templates. For the first template, let's call it my text. Or if you're creating for email, you can call it for my email template or whatever reason you're creating it for, right? So, and then I'm going to type, this is my text. That's the message I will be sending out automatically via text message or via email. And once it's done, we can get out of the folder. And if you notice that, let's go into one of the other folders I have, and you notice that it's how many different types of templates I have created in each folder. So this is how you can easily categorize or organize your templates so that you can easily find them with the different categories for different reasons. For my clients, I use a different folder or different category, and for media, I use it for different ones. Okay, but before we can use it, we need to do one more thing. We need to go into the settings and install the keyboard for the Crisp templates. Okay, so settings, general, and in general, we're gonna go into keyboards. And if you notice there, under the keyboard, there is, I already have 5 keyboards installed. One of them is Crisp. And for installing the keyboard, if you go click on these 3-4 lines, and you'll see there's an option right here to install, to give you the directions or instructions how you can install the Crisp keyboard. So just follow those instructions and it will easily walk you through to install the keyboard. Okay, so once the keyboard is installed, we can get out of there. Now we are ready to use those Crisp templates either for text messaging or for the emails. Let's go and try one. Let's go into the message, and I want to type a new message here. So I'm going to click here on this globe right here, and this will bring up different keyboards. They will change. This globe basically helps you pull up the keyboard you're looking for. So you click on that, and then you go to this Crisp, and you see this is the test folder we created, and in the test folder this is my text, and you just send it out. Here we go, and that's easy it is, and it really works perfect. I use it for lots of times, like many times every day for my clients and even with my family, with my children. So I have so many of them designed and set up there. And that's all. Basically, this is how you create the templates and you use it. And even though the app has not been updated for a while, it still works perfect for on my iOS 14. I am not sure if they're going to update it. I don't know if they have plans for updating it, but for now, this is a very good, easiest, and cheapest solution I have. I've been using it for this purpose. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Alright guys, so that was my review for the Crisp email templates app, which is basically a keyboard and templates for the email and the text messaging. And if you like it, let me know in the comments. And until next video, bye for now.